Hi, Bo here from High Tech Investment, and welcome back to the channel where today I'm going to ask a fundamental question in here. Can a free EA actually dominate the Forex market? We know there is a range of free EAs out there. Many of them are obviously free for a reason because, well, they're not really making any money for you. I'm going to take this particular video in here and show you one EA and how profitable that actually is. Now we have before put out a couple of videos here for free EAs. The spaghetti trader, we did that a couple of years ago, and we tried our best for long periods of time to actually make this work. Similar, even paid EAs in the past also, they struggle on the back testing. They are okay, but when you are long-term testing on either demo or on live accounts, the results are different. But you always have to start a place. Basically, find your EAs, and if you can find any free EAs in here, then definitely go for that. Try and test them out, and if you are lucky, hopefully one of them will turn out to be the master. So this is what we're here for today on the video, where we're gonna basically take this new free EA that we got our hands on here recently. We're gonna test it on two currency pairs. I'm going to show you exactly how we tested it, some of the settings that we have in here, and then you can actually see if this could be a EA that you can grab for free and then also at the same time dominate the Forex market going forward. So many times you're offered a free EA, you have to sign up for a membership, and this particular EA is very similar. So either you have the option basically to join as a free member in the forum, or you can actually go for the premium advanced form, and this is where you normally get the free stuff, including EAs, and you also get copy link service items that we are already heavily involved in. Now, this particular part is self-explanatory. As you can see up here, you have two different subscriptions. The one that we can go for is actually number two, $370 a year. That would actually be $31 per month. And then what you do is you can basically set up with this particular EA, you can set up a $1,000 account, and all you have to do every single month is actually get a profit of 3%. And as you'll see later on in the video, that is definitely doable. It looks like it can do a lot more. And then you get all the other benefits that are also in here. So you can actually, at the moment here, also go in a discussion on AI trading bots, how to set them up, how to build them, get some support. There is training courses in here. So all of these extra things you are getting also as part of the entire package. But if we're looking at it straight up, you need to do about 3% on a $1,000 account. And then your membership is paid for. From there on, you basically build your portfolio. And then, as I mentioned before, you add more robots to the baskets of trades in order to spread out. And this is certainly one of the best ways that I know. This is how I actually got started. So starting off with very, very simple stuff. And then later on, as your trading skills are improving and as you are getting more and more experience, you can start buying your robots after that. This particular one here seems to be worth it. It's very, very simple EA. You can see the entire program on the screen right now. We have an initial target. We have initial target scaling. So again, this is a grid trading robot. So basically you are scaling up in order to lower the risk. Every single time a trade goes against you, you are scaling up the grid. And we're doing that in here. Together with a lot size, we are using 0.01 because we are putting it on a $1,000 account. So we want to be safe and secure. And then you have a top-up lot multiplier also in the percentage. And again, that also goes in a certain range that I'm going to explain to you a bit more about. And then you have a closure target of profits and amounts in here. And that is pretty much the entire one. You have a tick scaling for the CFD markets down here that you can also put in, either scale it yourself or auto scale it in here. The choice is yours. So the EA we are looking at here today is the simple dynamic target trader. And this is the version 2 of it. Again, it looks very similar to what we normally have. Anyone has to have the long and short positions set up, allow live trading, and also make sure that you have allowed DLL imports in here, otherwise the EA will not work. You'll see that this particular one also, the provider is Expert Forex. Support, as always with Expert Forex, is the support and EA factory that comes with it. So there's also a good support for this EA, even though it is for free. So how does it actually work? How do you set it up? Well, the initial target in here, and I've marked that up in yellow, we are having a starting point, and we are starting with a grid size of 20. You want to start with currency pairs, and I'll show you that in a minute, that have low volatility, low range. So we're going to start from 20 steps of 2 all the way up to 70. And then the initial target scaling. So we're going to start off from 120 because that's what we're using on our current grid trading robots. That is a standard that we have set in order to make them safe and secure. So the minimum we want to have is 120, and then we go in a range of 10 and then all the way up to 200%. So that means the scaling goes quite fast. Lot for initial trade entry, as we said, 0.01. We're not going to touch that one at all for safety and security. And then the top up lot multiplier. Again, this is for the lot sizing. 100% will stay the same. And then increments of 10 all the way up to 200. So basically doubling your lot size every single time. And then the closure for the target profit. So when we want to have the entire basket closed, again, we're starting off with 2. And in this particular case, it's not pips, it's actually dollars. So you start off with 2 in steps of 2, and we then take it all the way up to 50. It all depends on the currency pairs, the volatility items as such. There's more details also below here for the EA to improve results or make them safer. Make one or more of the suggested changes in the list. Again, use low volatility currencies, increase the target size, increase the target scaling. These are the main parts that you want to have in here. So try and go by that. So the setup that we're using here is initial deposit of $1,000. And then we have the position long and short. This is a grid trader, so we want it to go both ways, both buy and sell, long and short. We have optimized parameters on the balance in here. And then for the expert advisor, make sure you have your simple dynamic target trader set up. You want to have your symbols, and I'm going to explain to you what symbols you want to actually test. So I'll show you that. And then the model, every tick is normally the one that you use in order to get the 99.9% accurate data we have. Use data in here. The date of starting the test we did was 1st of January 2025. It goes all the way to the 30th of August. And then in here we also have the use tick data. We are testing it on 50-minute time frames. And that is pretty much the setup that we have. As you'll notice here, the exact setup, we actually went in a different direction for our first run. So for this particular EA, we use the open price, which is a very fast method, and it's not very accurate. Normally, it all depends on the setup of the particular EA. But as you'll notice down here, we have 27,225 runs. So normally on the tick data, it will take quite a long time. This particular one on the open took about 2 hours. And again, we have the same timeline as I explained to you before on the optimization. In this particular case, the EA can actually start off on the open price, and then as long as you double check it afterwards with the use of the tick data, but it is quite accurate, so compared to what we normally see. Now I told you about the currency pairs, and you want to have some low volatility that is low trending. Now we track a lot of the currency pairs every single week. We have a look, see if anybody goes beyond the range that we want to have them. And if we go from the up parts here, so for the shortest and then down to the longest, we have them also in different colors, as you'll see. The Aussie New Zealand is the one that has less travel, 628. The EURCHF is another one of 680, and these are pips that we have in here. And then they start to go up. we can see definitely Great British Pounds is normally more volatile in here. You will also have some of the US dollars here for recent, and then you'll have the Japanese one at the bottom. So this is certainly not one you can, but I suggest you start off with the lower volatility. You can see how many times we also made changes and the dates that we have in here. As the Forex market continues to evolve, you have to do the same thing with your settings for your EA. So this is the strategy test report, and you can actually get out of your MT4 platform in here. You can see the symbol we used was the Aussie New Zealand and period of 15 minutes, every tick mode. So after we did the backtest in itself, this is actually the every tick. And you can also see the settings that we have. So initial target was 24, so that the initial part for the grid, and then target scaling 120, the lot size and the multiplier is 170. Close amount in this particular case was 2. And then what you get at the end of the day is a gross profit of $561 in here. And at the same time, we want to have a look also at the drawdown. That's 229. So that was 19.83% of the relative drawdown. And that seems to be within range of what we would like to see. So this is what it actually looks like when we ran the test. Again, the numbers here is the same as I had shown you here before. This is simply just the graph, and that particular graph reflects that this is a grid trading EA. So it will continue to go up in a nice formal manner. What you have to look out for is obviously the drawdowns you have in here. But as this is tick data, it should be pretty accurate, and it looks under control. As we said, the highest one was about 229. So a reasonable setup for that particular one. And these are the numbers that we actually got out. They're more than 27,000. I've just put them in an Excel. So these are the runs we have on the side out here. We have the profits, we have the drawdowns, we have the profit versus drawdowns that I normally do a little calculation. We want to have the lowest percentage overall. And then we go and have a closer look. And what I marked up in yellow is especially the target scaling rate of 120, because that is normally what we use. But you can see many other scaling rates, 130, 150, even 200 in here will also work. You have the lot multiplier. In this particular case here, it's 170, even 200 works. And again, you can have some very low drawdowns even with this, and then closure amounts. In this particular EA, it looks like most of the low ones, somewhere between 2 and 4, even 6 in here works. And then there's an area also of in the 40s. So a lot of different good positive numbers. So with very low drawdown, that indicates that the EA seems to be very sound. So if we go to the other section that we tested, so this is the Euro Swiss francs, again on a 15-minute chart, every tick. So we are double checking again the data that we have in here. The initial target, we have set that one for 20. So again, a low one, scaling rate 160. So it opens up a lot quicker than the 120. Same lot size as we had before, and also a multiplier of 170. And this particular one has a different closure amount. It has a higher one of 44. The numbers we have for this particular EA is 1,003. So that is obviously a very nice number, better than the other one that we saw in here. And then maximum drawdown slightly higher, 322 or 25.26%. So again, it is within reason that we see here. And if we have a look at the scaling itself, you can see it has some drawdown. Hopefully we can try and iron that out, find some more suitable settings to try and avoid it. But even the very, very rough testing that we do, we don't see any blown accounts, and that is very important. Obviously, as long as you continue to keep your lot sizing under control. So this is the Excel that I made. Again, we have the profits up here. Profits are all the way up to almost 1,500. There's one almost 1,600 in here. 1,700 is down there. So if you want to have some high ones, you can definitely go for that. But again, we prefer to take the profit versus the drawdown in here have a percentage, and then try and see if you can find some matches for this particular one. It could be initial targets, the same targets as you have in the yellow, the same closure amounts, or in this particular case here, what we took out, closure amounts, is 44. So that is a range, and we can see that the scaling rate is similar and the multiplier is similar. So if we pick that particular one, then we will still only have a drawdown. And don't forget, this was the open price range. So all what you see on the Excel is the open price range of 160. So again, it is not the correct and accurate data, but it's close enough to actually get yourself lined up on some initial settings that will work and actually create some good profits. Then you have to do the tick data, and then basically everything will get confirmed. So of what you have worked on in the background. So once you've gotten the testing down, basically you can head back over again to Expert Forex. Then you have multiple different ways of going on and trying to dominate the Forex market in the future. You can either add new robots to the mix in order to spread out on your portfolio, spread out the risk, or you can even take some of the links that you then have for your very good and positive accounts in here. You can actually add them also for successful robot traders, so other ones can actually join and get the same benefits as yourself. That is the Link to Success service. Then you'll actually get money from that particular one too. So there's plenty of ways of starting your trading career. It's simply just a matter of getting off the couch and start getting into it. With the data I've showed you here today, I think for me, it is safe to say that this particular free EA can actually make money. Obviously, this is early days, so this is a very rough backtest, but just the results that we see on the backtesting, the way the EA is actually working again on the grid, which we are very, very familiar with compared to all our other robots. It is a very simple one, but as you can see, it can make money. There's multiple settings that will work, and that is always a good sign. And then hopefully in a couple of months' time, you will also see some forward testing on demo accounts that you should always do before you actually engage in real life money accounts. So I hope this has been very beneficial to show you that even though some of these free EAs, you might have to get a membership or something else, but these particular free EAs, they will make up the membership plus more if you actually just take the time to go find the right settings and the right balance in here. Obviously for us, we have plenty of EAs in here already, so we will simply just add it into our portfolio, because the more EAs, the more different strategies that we have at the end of the day. That is to make sure that we don't put all our eggs in one basket. We basically spread our risk over all these EAs, over all these different currencies. And that is how you can actually become a successful trader in the future. But don't forget, you and you alone are responsible for your own trading, for your own investments. So please don't take this as investment advice, but simply show you there is options. Even though you cannot afford a $500 or a $1,000 robot, these free ones, as you are becoming a member of various parts, in this particular case here, Expert Forex, well, there is a way out of it where you can still start your trading career, and then slowly but surely you expand into other areas at the end of the day. That is how you become a Forex trader long term. So I hope that this has given you something to think about, and please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and I'll see you on one of my next videos. Bye-bye.